morning, respected faculty and my fellow classmates. I, Khushi Chauhan, welcome you on behalf of IIC JIMS Vasant Kunj for the Unicorn of India and Innovative Quiz Competition 2024, an event that embodies the integration of brands, branding, innovation, and entrepreneurship. This event stands as a testament of the dynamic world of business, where branding and innovation are integral components that lead the entrepreneurship. Institutions of Innovation Council (IIC) was established on 21st of November 2018 at JIMS Vasant. It is established to engage a large number of faculty and students and staff in various innovation and entrepreneurship related activities such as leadership talks, workshops, seminars in IPR, and other competitive events to enhance the innovation and ecosystem in the institute. So, for the event, there are 3 rounds. Participants, please listen carefully. There are 3 rounds. In the first round, participants will be asked questions individually and will be awarded 2 points if they answer the correct, and if they do not if they don't answer correctly, the question will be passed to the next individual, and when the question will be passed, the passed question only contains 1 mark, not 2 marks. Yeah. In the second round, participants will be shown logos of the brand and they have to identify the brand by their logo. And in the third round, which is the buzzer round, participants have to raise their hands. The one who raises their hand first will be given the chance to speak up. Okay? Okay, done. Participant question. Question is, what is the term unicorn used to describe in startup world?
Oh my bad. It's either A or D, or I'll do it.
A. A. Yeah. Next question for Shivakanshi. Which Indian city is often referred to as the startup capital of India? A. Mumbai, B. Bangalore, C. Delhi, or D. Hyderabad? B. Bangalore. Next question is for Ishita. Which of the following Indian unicorns is primarily known for its online travel and booking services? A. Oyo, B. Paytm, C. Make My Trip, or D. Iota.
Agoda.
Make My Trip. How is it travel? Might it travel?
I guess so. Unicorn.
Which Indian unicorn is a leading online food delivery platform? A. Swiggy, B. Zomato, C. Dunzo, D. Big Basket. B. Which Indian unicorn is a digital payments company that also offers a variety of financial services? A. PhonePe, B. Razorpay, C. Paytm, or D. MobiKwik.
Movie.
D. He is not wrong. Which Indian unicorn is a leading online fashion retailer? A. Nykaa, B. Myntra, C. Ajio, या D. Flipkart? C. Myntra. Which Indian unicorn is a digital lending platform? A. Policybazaar, C. Cred, D. Lending card, या D. Bharat. Which Indian unicorn is a logistics and transportation platform? A. Delivery, B. Vivigo, C. Porter, या D. BlackBuck? C. Shivakanshi. Which Indian unicorn is a ride-hailing platform? A. Ola, B. Uber, C. Rapido, या D. C. Rapido. C. Rapido. It's A. Yeah, but Indian Ola Indian है. Uber. Ishka. Which Indian unicorn is a fintech platform, that provides financial services to small businesses?
Fine.
A. Razorpay, B. Pine Labs, C. BharatPe, or D. Cred? Next, Disha. Which Indian unicorn is known for its online pharmacy services? A. Pharmacy, B. Blinkit, C. Practo, and D. Big Basket? A. Which Indian unicorn is a leading online beauty and personal care retailer? A. Nykaa, B. Zomato, C. Big Basket, or D. Policybazaar? A. Nykaa. और अच्छा A. Which of the following is an example of a unicorn startup in India? A. Flipkart, B. Paytm, C. Ola, or D. all of the above? What is the total number of unicorn startups in India? A. 10, B. 20, C. 30, or D. 40? Yes. So, question. Your question is, which sector has the highest number of unicorn startups in India? A. E-commerce, B. Fintech, C. Healthcare, or D. EdTech?
Good e-commerce.
Yes. Please stand up and answer.
D. Fintech.
D. Next question. Who is the founder of Flipkart? A. Sachin Bansal, B. Vinny Bansal, C. Kunal Rahel, D. Rohit Bansal? Anyone? Sachin Bansal. अच्छा. Yes, Prithal, you can stand up and answer.
गूगल करा उसने.
Sachin Bansal. Oh. Only audience, no participants. A. Pepperfry, B. Urban Ladder, C. Fab India, D. West. Next, which sector is delivery primarily operating in? A. E-commerce, B. Fintech, C. Logistics, D. Healthcare. Anyone
अरे सही है
from the audience? Mansi, logistics. Stand up and answer. Logistics. Next question is, which unicorn startup is known for its online healthcare services? A. Practo, B. 1mg, C. Apollo Hospital,
शायद
or D. Fortis Healthcare. Anyone from the audience? Mayank, you can stand up and answer.
हमारा गवर्नमेंट बी बनएनजी ए
भाई पीपीटी में
Last question for the audience. Which Indian unicorn startup was founded by Dipender Goyal and Pankaj Chadha? A. Zomato, B. Swiggy, C. Ola, or D. Flipkart? Zomato. Stand up and answer. आपने बात आप इधर आ जाओ।
एलिमिनेट हो गई
अनाउंस करो ना।
मैं तो नहीं सकती कौन है नेक्स्ट
Quiet and no one will prompt. For Saksham.
अरे
No one will prompt. For Shivakakshi. Yeah, okay. Name of the event?
Great.
Ma'am, name of the event.
यूनिकॉर्न ऑफ इंडिया
Unicorns of India, ना? अरे
Bro. मैंने पता थोड़ी था
अरे बोलने नहीं दे अबे यार
ये तो पता है जो हाथ पहले उठाएगा तो हाथ भी रैपिड फायर कौन देख रहा है कौन मैं देखूंगी मैं देखूंगी अरे ऐसे कैसे चलेगा कौन कौन बैठा है एक सेकंड हेलो ये तीन है ये ठीक है और वो भैया ओके
Shiri. Okay. Last one.
अरे मैंने क्या
अरे इसमें पसंद तो होना ही आगे सिर्फ 3 लोग जा रहे हैं अरे ताली बजाते हैं सबको ताली बजा लेना है
जैसी मैं क्वेश्चन खत्म करूंगी उसके बाद आएगा वो काम ठीक है पहले 1 2 Which Indian unicorn, known for its distributive business model in the logistic and supply chain sector, has been dubbed the Uber for trucks?
आकृति में
Next question. Which edtech unicorn, founded by a former IITian, offers a personalized learning platform for students across India and has seen rapid growth during pandemic? Next, which Indian unicorn, a pioneer in the fintech space, offers a digital-only bank account and has distributed traditional banking practices? Which Indian unicorn, founded by a former McKinsey consultant, is a leading SaaS platform for HR and talent management with a focus on employee experience? Next question. Which Indian leading unicorn, known for its innovative approach to online grocery delivery, has gained significant market share and disrupted the traditional retail landscape? Please mention if it's the right answer or wrong answer. It was wrong answer. Which Indian unicorn, founded in 2010, started as a B2B marketplace for industrial goods, but has since expanded into a global digital platform for procurement and supply chain management? Udan is the correct answer. Next, which Indian unicorn, often referred to as the Netflix of India, is known for its original content and vast library of movies and TV shows? क्वेश्चन के बाद मैंने कहा था Hotstar. Which Indian unicorn of fintech platform has gained popularity for its innovative approach to personal finance, offering a range of financial products and services? Credit is the correct answer. Next, the Indian unicorn, a leading online travel company, has disrupted the traditional travel industry with its user-friendly platform and competitive prices. Yes, Abhishek. Which Indian unicorn startup was founded by Bhavesh Agarwal and Ankit Bhatt? Are you sure? Flipkart? Final? It was wrong answer. Scores are okay, so any guesses, audience? Who is the winner? Anyone? The winner is Akriti. For vote of thanks, I would like to invite Christine Chawla. Try to come
Okay, so first of all, thank you everyone for coming and attending the quiz and participating.
Great choice.
I would like to thank Ms. Anupri Anand for her guidance and also Khushi Chauhan for contributing as the anchor, Yashika Chetri, Mansi Rawat, Sakshi for contributing to our event, and thank you very much. But I need after certificate.